How to cancel free YouTube Premium trial. Let's get started. Launch your YouTube. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now at the bottom, you're going to find different icons. Click on the icon of you. Now at the top right corner, you'll find the settings icon. Click on it. With that, you will add to the settings page. Now over here, you're going to find different options. Navigate to the option of purchases and membership. You can cancel your membership during a trial. If you choose to cancel, your trial membership will not roll over into a paid subscription at the end of the trial. You will continue to have access until the end of the trial period. But if you want to cancel free YouTube Premium trial, all you have to do is, over here you will find the option of free trial. Just click on it. And under that you will find the option of cancel subscription. Go ahead and click on it. With that you will get the pop-up. Click on confirm. And just with that, your free trial YouTube Premium will be cancelled. So this is how you can easily cancel free YouTube Premium trial. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.